Good morning, guys, and welcome to Scratch Kitchen. I hope you guys are holding up good. I mean, among all the craziness that we're seeing, I certainly hope y'all are doing well. I'm going to show you how to make some sourdough peanut butter cookies. And we're going to put chocolate chips in them because, hello, yes, peanut butter and chocolate chips were made. Well, peanut butter and chocolate were made for each other. And I just got back from Kroger. And it's like, oh my god, people. I'm going to use my little bread maker. Get you adjusted in so you can see it. Now this is either going to be a complete flop with this bread maker, or it's going to be one of those things that I will do forever in a day. But I don't know yet. So, with bread makers, you always have to layer your stuff. So, here goes my flour. 2 cups. Let's see, I got a teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda in here. A half teaspoon of salt. A cup of sugar. That's white sugar. And let me get some little space here. I have these cute little bowls. They have measuring things in them, and it's just a godsend, you know? I guess I'm gonna have to give it in and use that. That's just the way it goes, you know. No point in getting stressed. People are so stressed out right now. It's like they're running around like these tightly wound springs, ready to snap at any moment. Even this little community we live in, where people are usually pretty pleasant. When we first moved here to Michigan, about 5 years ago, this gentleman opened the door, held the door open for my daughter. She did not know whether to walk through the door or not. She was so accustomed to Florida, people being not so nice. There, rinse my hands off after all that molasses and sugar. You got a cup of white and a cup of brown sugar. Tastes so much better than your store-bought stuff. I mean, hello, yes. Now, butter, baby. Now, it actually calls for an organic coconut oil. I don't have that. I don't buy it. Because I don't buy into this organic garbage. There is absolutely, no evidence that one is better for you than the other. So, that's my rant for right now. Great, I got butter everywhere. Awesome. Even on my recipe. Well, that recipe is going to be a keeper, I can tell you right now, because I got food on it. Usually when I get food on a recipe, it's a keeper. So I've got to get my teaspoon, because I need a teaspoon of vanilla. Any other time I would use the cap to measure, but the baking, you have to be precise. So, there you go. Crack your egg. Hey, this worked out perfect. My bread maker's here. My garbage is here. Awesome. Whoops. Two cups of sourdough starter. let me see. I'm gonna grab a spatula. I'll just use the one I had for butter. No point getting another one dirty. There we go. Got all this in, all aboard the cookie train. Yay. Got that. I'm going to have to do dishes. I can tell that right now. Well, actually, it's my day to do them. Tony does them Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. And I've got Saturday, Sunday, and Wednesday. Alright, and some for Mom. I've got to plug this in. Now remember, I have never done this before. Used a bread maker to mix cookie dough. But given how much stuff you can use it for, I honestly cannot see why not. I'll bring it back when it's all mixed up, probably about a couple hours. Alright guys, it is a couple hours later, and yes, I kind of fell asleep. I don't know what y'all, but my quality of sleep has not been that great. So, this did not turn out the way I thought it would. So I'm going to try and cook it as if I would a cake. But I don't think I'll use this again. I just don't see doing this again. So lesson here is don't use a bread machine to mix cookie dough. Unfortunate, but this is just a lesson of life. We've been taught here, and yeah. Just have to bake it off as a cake. I am not sure what happened. Other than I fell asleep. But I'm hoping, it's hope, that it'll turn out as a cake. If not, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. And as I make sure you add your peanut butter, which I did not do. Then I tried it, I realized, which it didn't taste like peanut butter, I forgot to add peanut butter at one point. So I go ahead and add it. I'll bring you back when I pull this out. Alright, here is what I'm going to call our peanut butter chocolate chip cake, sourdough cake. And yes, I took the little corner out, and it's pretty good. It's not bad at all. It's a cake, it's a hit. Put a piece in the bowl, throw some ice cream on it, Cool Whip, no problem. I'll leave you the recipe so you can make this yourself. So good.